Namaste Sathiyo. Hello, Annyeong. So today I want to tell you, or rather I would say today I want to share some of my opinions or some of my whatever that I watched today with you all. So today I watched Jor Films episode 2. By the way, if you don't know what Jor Films are, you might not know who DP is, you might not know what JP is. You are in 2021. Because if you are watching this video in 2022 or later, I'm pretty sure you already know what JP is, who DP is, and what Jor Films are. So, on the note of that, let's begin with this. So, while it was premiering, I experienced, or rather, I would say, I felt something was off because that wasn't something extraordinary that I'm seeing. Okay, so these guys, DP and his team, they went to Bir region in Himachal Pradesh, which is a tourist spot, a hilly region, and people come there to have fun, to do adventure sports, for example, paragliding, and just holidaying, vacationing there. And DP and his team thought of shooting episode 2 of Jor Films in Bir, Himachal Pradesh, and the nearby areas. So I would quickly start with the first topic that I want to tell. It's about the paragliding thing. So DP did paragliding there, and it was his first time in his life that he was doing paragliding. While watching him, I thought, why did he include this? Like, okay, paragliding, because everyone does it. And then I thought that maybe it's because I have already done it. I did paragliding in Manali some 2 to 3 years ago, and I enjoyed it a lot. It wasn't extraordinary, I don't know why, but being there was an awesome feeling. What happened with DP was, while the trainer, the person with whom you are flying paragliding, he started doing the swirls. You know, when they turn 360-degree or they do 180-degree in circles, they go against the wind, with the wind. So when he started with that, DP couldn't control himself, or I would say DP wasn't ready for this. He puked twice and he got headache, and he wasn't just well, he wasn't at ease. I didn't feel anything like that. So while watching the video, I was constantly thinking that he's weak. He's weak. He was excited, he got thrills, and he shouted. It was like, it was more an exclamation of the thrill that you experience, and it came out in the form of a cuss word, which they beeped, obviously. So that's the way he expressed his excitement, his thrill, and that adrenaline gush that you get in your veins when you do such kind of activity. So that thing. This was the second thing that I wanted to tell you, that while watching, it looked like, come on, people have done that. I can do that. Why are you so scared? What are you scared of? You are jumping from ground level to water. But it is scary. It is scary. It's not that easy. It is not easy at all. So this was the thing that I prejudged about him, about whatever was going on. And then I would like to tell you about something that that was inspiring for me. When DP was telling the members there that he has never jumped into water like that from such height, and he's scared. So one of the people there, he said very, very coolly, he said, I would want to read that out for you, because what happened was, when he was, I wasn't recording the premiere, but when he said those words, those lines, I felt so inspiring. I felt them good enough that I grabbed a pen and I just jotted it down, jitna bhi yaad tha, because the premiere was like continuing. Jitna bhi wo yaad tha, I just jotted it down right then and there. So I just want to read it out. Maybe आप लोग में से किसी को इंस्पायरिंग लगे ये. He said, डर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर डर नहीं रहेगा तो आप कोई बेवकूफ़ी कर बैठोगे. That's actually true. If you are not scared of like anything in the world, you'll go reckless. You'll make reckless choices. You're gonna do reckless activities, your entire life will be reckless, will full of recklessness. And that's gonna land you in trouble, of course. Don't be fearless to an extent of being reckless. That's one very important takeaway that I had from this episode 2 of Chore Films. DP and JP are gonna rock the world, India at least. All these 22 characters, all this Chore film and Chore Parivar and everything out there, it might make no sense to the public in India. It might make no sense to all the youngsters or even the kids right now. But in the coming years, JP is gonna be a blockbuster thing. Like, this is, I believe this. I totally confidently believe in this. And I really want JP to soar high and higher and higher. Okay, so that's all for today. And yes, I know my video making skills are bad. I know I'm not making a good video. I don't know how to say in front of a camera because I haven't ever spoken for such a long time in front of a camera. I generally make short videos which are over within 15 seconds to 2 minutes. Maximum 2 minutes I've gone with any video. This is the longest one. I genuinely wanted to try this since a long time now and I wasn't able to. So I'll consider this as my first ever video put out there online. So please guys, don't judge me or don't demean me by posting hate comments or writing cuss words out there. If you don't like this, just ignore it or just don't hit that like button there. My only intention was to share my share my opinions and views. So till then, thanks for watching. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you genuinely like this, anything, even something, a little bit of it, even if you like this in video thing, please hit the like button. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Annyeong.